In this example, we're going to take a look at the multiplication rule for the situation where we have without replacement. So we have a box of chocolates that has 4 types of candies or chocolates: plain, nuts, caramel, and truffle. And there's 4 of each kind. So there's 16 chocolates total in this box. 2 chocolates are selected without replacement. Find the probability that a plain is selected and then a truffle. So this is the multiplication rule, and you can think of the multiplication rule as the AND rule. If the AND is stated or it's implied, it's typically going to be a multiplication rule for probability example. So this is going to be the probability we get a plain chocolate and then a truffle. So this is going to be the probability of getting a plain chocolate and then a truffle, given that we've already drawn a plain. And the reason why that's important is because we are sampling without replacement. So in the second factor that corresponds to the probability of getting a truffle, the sample space is going to be reduced. So this is going to be equal to the probability of getting a plain chocolate, and that's 4 out of 16, times the probability of getting a truffle, given that we've already selected a plain without replacement. So in the second factor, the denominator is reduced. But the numerator in this problem is not reduced because we're not selecting 2 of the same kind. If the problem had stated plain and then another plain chocolate, then the numerator would also be reduced. All right, but we do have 4 truffles. So this is going to be, let's see, we can cancel the 16s here. So this is going to be 1 out of 15. And this is a valid probability because it falls between 0 and 1 inclusive.